Bye. Hi. Bye-bye. Okay. Today. Okay, I might do something that you need to keep it a secret. Please. Please. I'm gonna release it. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs and show you something. Let's get bunker. Hiya. Okay, I'm back. And the thing I wanted to show you is this hot baby of mine. Look, he has a Lightning McQueen keychain. See that Lightning McQueen? And there's a button in the back. And watch. It glows. It glows. See that? Right there. There. Okay, there. Glows. Then I have this one thing that glows also. See that? Glows. And I have this weird green ugly spider and another one. And for the best part, the knife. Oh yeah, baby. The knife. I'm talking about a real one. Okay. Oh, I just need to take it off. A real knife, baby. Good dog. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna kill you. One slice and dice. This baby is real. Cool. Now I'm gonna get a cardboard and prove it to you that it's real. Okay, real. Okay, so I just found this one. See no holes? Cut it up. It's getting there. Oh, I did it, yo. Can't you even see it? That thing there? It's cut so perfect. Let's see if I can poke it. Time to poke it, dude. Real life. I might put this somewhere like. Oops. And here it is. To show my friend Mark Justin. If you watch him, he's my classmate. He's on YouTube. and his YouTube channel is Oscar Mara 12 or something. But I just subscribe. And dude, look at this. One flip if I get it right. Oops. One flip. Oh, I did it. I missed. Oh, come on. Oh, and his brother did like this. Over the head. Oh! That actually hurted. What the? Oh, it didn't even land. Yo. Still. Good try, Captain. I'm gonna become one day a wall ball flipper. Ooh, so close to getting capped. Really, it was that close to getting capped. If I land this, then I'll say goodbye. Nope. Nope. Okay, I got one trick for you. Actually, no. I'm gonna say, smash that like button down below me, down below. But not my privates, down below. Just hit that like button. Smash that like button down below and press that subscribe button up below.